Hey, what's good, fam? Today we back in the stew with another Supreme drop. We already on week 3 and I decided to cover it for y'all ASAP. We got some Nike ACG shit. We got some nail polish coming out. This zip up hoodie that I'm kind of with. Let's not really waste too much time. If y'all enjoy this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, that way you're notified whenever we post another banger. More content on the way always. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. All the way at the top we got the Mcgraw nail polish set. Comes in a set of 3. You got a black, a white, and then a red, which is basically the Supreme colors. Honestly, something I don't need. If I were to buy it, I'd give it to my girl, but she probably wouldn't even wear any of these colors. Not gonna bullshit y'all, so this is a dub. I do know that the lipstick had some type of resell because the Supreme female consumers are gonna eat this shit up, and it kind of makes sense, but for me it's a pass. I feel like it might have some resell, who knows. Then we got the ACG collab, which the first item they show is the Fleece Pullover. This basically is mainly fleece, then certain pieces have regular material like the shoulders or the pocket flaps. There's the ACG logo on the front, then on the back you got a swoosh as well, I believe at the bottom. I low-key wonder if you could remove the face mask though, because this shit gonna be tight as definitely won't be able to eat with this bitch on, because the shit is all the way up here, ninja gating shit with this on. I'm low-key good on this one. Now that denim pullover shit's fire, bro. Don't know how I feel about that snake skin vibe one, but the blue denim and the black, beautiful. Honestly, I would buy this piece. Has the ACG crest on the front, then on the back it has the swoosh. On the hood it got the little Supreme. I feel like the little accents on this is nothing too over the top, almost like a casual everyday type jacket, and I love when Supreme does that, especially with the Nike collab on it. It just adds a little bit more sauce. I feel like it's hard. Will I go for it? I honestly don't know. I have hella jackets at this point. I'ma peep the retail though. It's actually a contender, not gonna bullshit y'all. We got the ACG grid tee. I don't know if this is Central Park or not. Picture's kind of blurry. Let me know if y'all compete. This one basically has a picture of a park, and then there's a part on it that's like not lit up. I wonder if that means the light about to go out, about to be a blackout. We don't even know, but yeah, this tee is coming out, the little grid joint. If that's Central Park, then I might be fucking with it, not gonna lie to y'all. But if it's some random ass park, then it's a dub. Straight up. There's the ACG 6 panel. This one comes in 3 colors, that black denim and then the snakeskin leopard print head ass, and we got the military camp cap, which I actually think it's not that bad. This one in the brown or the navy, not too bad. That snakeskin Nike one gotta go. Black color for that one is kind of decent as well. Let me know if y'all fucking with the hats. We got the nylon trail shorts, which low-key I wish these would have released spring summer. I would have been freaking these in the summer, because that black pair is actually hard. I love the way it has the branding on it on the front and the back, real subtle. The black pair, bro, I'm telling you, I would have been freaking those all summer. They're dropping them in the fall, so when the fuck, like, come on bro, fill in the blanks. Like, I need some help. Like, it don't make no sense. Why you dropping them now? Head ass. Don't sleep on the ACG collab. These belted denim pants, fire. The black ones, just look at them, they look clean. I feel like it's a subtle little pair of pants to have in the arsenal for sure, bro. Look at the design on the denim one and then apply that design to the black one and tell me it's not fire. 2 little hidden pockets on the sides, the belt that already comes included, almost like a cargo fit, but not a pair of cargos because the pockets are hidden. I think these are solid. Next on the list was the underlined hoodie. I believe they've done this one before. It basically has a small ass logo on it, underlined literally. Branding is small as shit on this one. It's like a microscopic logo, but if that's the shit you into, the micro logo shit, this is all for you, bro. Like, I'm honestly sleeping on this, and it's crazy because I'm about to have a big ass Supreme sale, bro. All my XL hoodies are dancing on me. Like, I'm about to really pick and choose what I'm keeping, so XL boys, stay tuned. I'm about to have a little hoodie sale. That was left field, but I'm basically saying that to say that I'm gonna have to replace my old hoodies with some new ones. It's just not this shit right here. We got the fire zip up hoodie, which I I actually think is beautiful. I love the way that this looks. It reminds me of the Blood and Semen Vans that they did like in 2015, some shit like that, 2017 maybe. And I'm trying to get into the zip up hoodie side of things because I always buy a pullover and I feel like they're harder to take off, and sometimes you're trying to show the tee, you feel me? But I don't know if I'm gonna end up going for this. I don't know why, bro, because I genuinely like it. I just have a lot of shit going on with my brand right now. Spending that much on this would low-key slow me down, so I just gotta take a back seat real quick. It's okay. There's the Supreme Acg Jersey. Honestly, some of these colors are just a miss, but the black is hitting on this one, bro. If you buy an oversized fit, this actually looks like some Yeezy Gap head ass. Like, it has like that bulkier, wider, boxier, shorter. You know what I'm talking about. It has that type of fit, but the colors that they decided on some of these shits, it's just crazy, bro. Critical. Cut out long sleeve. This one is kind of mid. Not gonna lie to y'all. It has like these sewn on patches on the side, kind of clean but kind of mid at the same time. It's something that I wouldn't go after. Like, if it laid on my hands for like $20-$30, I'd take it. Maybe 40 max on sale, but I don't know if I need this shit, so it's probably gonna stay right there, bro. There's nothing too spicy this week that's like, yo, you know, if that shirt has Central Park on it, I might have to cop the only one. There's the Chino Pants, 5 different colors. The brown one's decent. It has the little pinup girl on one of the pockets in the back. It's cool. It's cool. That's where it stays at for me. Now, this heavy flannel shirt, bro, don't sleep. I'm telling you, there be 2 colors that are ass and then 1 color that's good. That black flannel, beautiful, bro. Don't sleep. I'm just telling you, I'm putting y'all on game. That shit looks clean, especially for them fall months. Like, come on, I think it's hard. We got the sponsors 6-panel. This one comes in 4 colors, and honestly, it's at the bottom of this list for a reason, folks. Shit is ass. It has a bunch of Supreme inspired sponsors on it, and it's not doing anything too special, too spicy for me, so I'm gonna leave it there right where it needs to be, at the bottom of this list. We got the gradient striped sweater. Basically has a little old English font on the side. Comes in 2 colors. The black one is decent, still kind of mid, bro. Like, this week is kind of mid. Like, damn, terrible. That's just last up. There's the creases short sleeve top. This one looks creased, bro. Why is the name creased? Like, it don't even make no sense. It's like a wrinkled shirt before it's wrinkled. It's like buying those sneakers that be already up when you buy it. Like, that shit don't make no sense. Let me know what y'all gonna be going for this week. Are you even gonna be going for anything? I don't know. Whatever it is, let me know in the comments how y'all feeling, bro. For real, ask me some Q&A questions, because the Q&A video is coming soon. Low-key, a lot of new shit coming soon. I've been working behind the scenes. It's all gonna be worth it. I know I've been slacking on the content here and there, but I've been testing shit and it kind of been hitting. I'm about to take a new direction. It's gonna be cool though. Just stick around. Make sure you subscribe. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Stay up. Nah, I'm out.